paper snowflake with a little cottage with a chimney, smoke coming out of the chimney, and pine trees. And then this is a little path leading to the cottage. The thing that's going to be different about this paper snowflake is that rather than leaving these things here, these are going to be cut out. We're going to leave the white along the top. And the reason that I'm going to do that is because I'd like to put some stars up in the sky. So the very first thing that I will do is get my special hole punch that is a star shape. I'm going to add a few stars where I can fit them in. One thing that I like to do when I cut something like this is to open it up and add a star right along the fold. I think that just kind of helps to tie the whole look together, and it's easier than trying to cut out a star right along the fold on your own. Okay. The hardest part to cut out will be this swirl, so we'll do that first. Cut across this tree. I'm going to come right up and over to make a door. Down. We'll come up the roof line. And sometimes what I like to do is just get some of this paper out of the way. So let's cut the whole house out first, even though we'll be adding onto the cut. Just gets the paper out of the way so that we can see what we're working with, not cut something off. Okay, we need a chimney. And then we'll start our smoke swirl right from the chimney. When I cut swirly things like this, I press my fingers together really hard so that the paper doesn't shift around. And I go from the tip, come right back, pick my scissors up so I don't cut anything that I don't need to cut. And I like to move the paper around but keep my scissors pretty straight. You can see that I didn't hold the paper quite steady enough. It's starting to shift. So what I'm going to do is just cut that section off and then start again from the chimney to connect this. And that is so that I don't cut through something that I didn't realize I was getting close to cutting. Okay. We have our little house. Chimney and our smoke swirl. We're going to add a pine tree on each side. When I do pine trees, I just do them a little triangle notch at a time. Be careful right here because you're getting close to your side of your house. And I'm going to connect this down here. just to the very bottom of the house. Again on this side, little pine tree notches. And again, just be careful when you get close to the roof of your house. Go down below it a little bit. And you don't want to connect on this side. You want to leave a little paper there so that you don't slice the whole thing off. Okay. Now let's do our path leading up to the house. Give it a little space, just so your snowflake is a little sturdier. So it doesn't have to go right up to the door. If you go right up to the door, you'll probably cut through. Here's this. And then I'm just gonna kind of scallop the top. Give it a little decorative flair. And we're all done. Let's see how we did. There's one little pine tree. A couple extra pieces of paper. Here we are. It's like a little neighborhood. Cute little houses. And their chimney smoke and their stars. Little path. It's like a little cul-de-sac. I hope you enjoy, and if you try cutting this out, send me a message. I'd love to see what yours looks like.